Okay, so bring a friend. This one is super cool. So you all came here because you either saw a video I made, a friend told you about this, which is actually what I would prefer in the future, or I personally reached out to you because you were already my friend or family member. So if you want to invite someone, all you have to do is go to the about page, which is school.com-one-on-one with a pretentious engineer, because that was the original name of this community before we turned it into the Big Brain Club and focused it more on you instead of me. And copy that and send it to everyone you love. You could send it as a text. You could send it as a message online. You could DM it. You could make a post about it on Facebook and be like, this is really great. This is what's going on. Also, any video that I post in this community on daily one-on-ones, Big Brain Club, Sunday Sip, they will all be publicly available on YouTube. So you could just go to daily one-on-one, find this video, and when you expand it, if I pause it for a minute, you can click share, copy the link, and you can post it to your socials. Something I say, Sanaka is playing with plastic. If something I say is really helpful or you think it would prompt conversation within your LinkedIn network or things like that, just repost what I make, because the more individuals we bring here, how do I leave this? The more individuals that we bring into this context, the more valuable it becomes for everybody. So feel free to drive traffic to the community however you feel led, leveraging the about page, because this clearly talks about, this is the video sales letter, and then you have my virtual portfolio, sorry for the plastic, and a free lesson, and also brand management stuff. And then everybody wants to get a bigger brain, right? That's why we're here. So do that. That would be great. Dopamine, we're so close. Although it's going to kill you, because when you finish, this whole dopamine loop of clicking these, you won't get to 100% because I forgot to click these ones. Should we say that we did this? Oh, but I would do that in the Welcome Big Brain Club, but I guess I can click it. There we go. Let's pretend that we did all the right things. Doing all the right things. Look at all this bonus content. You even worked through the high quality commenting. Well done, friend. All right, so you are at 95%. You are so close. Let's finish up.